Hey guys, here again, Edward Beck, Quick Sell Buyers. I'm at my new duplex. We just finished it. It's not 100%. I would say it's like 99.9%. So let me show you guys what we're doing here. This is it here. The outside, we call it Santiago Place. It's over here off the west side, on Santiago Street. You can see we gated it off. We're gonna build a gate here so you can walk in. We redid all the paneling, new roof, refrigerated AC, new doors, all the stuff you need. Put new carpet outside. It's pretty nice. New tile floor, all new paint, new texture on the walls, new countertops, new sink, brand new stoves, brand new fixtures. Has a huge laundry room, brand new water heater, huge laundry room. See here, all new electrical throughout the house. 2 bedrooms. We redid the whole bathroom, all new tile floors, tiled shower, all new fixtures, new plumbing. So this is one of the units. You can see here, brand new refrigerated AC units. Let's go upstairs, show you guys the upstairs unit. Our new tile floors, countertops, new stove, new water heater, huge laundry room, brand new carpet in this unit, new tile, new toilet, only you use the toilet. New refrigerated air, just like the other one. All right, this is the last unit downstairs. Like I said, new countertops, new stove. Probably get tired of me saying that because it's the same thing for all of them. Utility room. This one has a lot more carpet like the other one. So if you like carpet. Tile. Real nice. Good job. Paint's all redone. You guys will love it. Nice, cozy. We're renting each one of these for the low price of $725. Utilities are all separate. It's refrigerated air, total remodel, right off of Artcraft. You can get anywhere real quick because the freeway's 5 minutes away. Alright guys, let me know. They'll go quick. My new project just finished. Took us a little while, longer than we expected, but we got her done. Thank you guys so much. God bless, and sell El Paso, I guess. Like the content, information that we just provided? Want to hear more about it? Join us on Facebook by liking our page. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and you can get more videos just like this. If you have a question, something you wanted answered, something that's not clear, leave it in the link below and we'll answer you as soon as possible. Maybe even make a video about it. Thank you guys so much, and God bless.